This is how to receive money on Cash App from business account. If you haven't already, make sure to go to the App Store, locate Cash App, and update and install the Cash App app. Once you've done that, let's go ahead and open up the app. So in order to receive money from a business account, the business account will have to go through these steps right here that I'm about to show you. In the bottom here, we're gonna go to search, and here in the search, we'll put $, and then whatever the person's cash tag will be. So let's say, for example, I am the business and I wanna send cash to maybe an employee. I would have to know my employee's cash tag, which if you're wondering, you can go and locate to your account profile right here, and it will be right under your username and picture. It'll be right there with a $ in front of it. Now, if you are trying to switch your account from a personal account to a business account so you can send money, we're gonna go to this profile right here and hit personal. And you see at the bottom right here, it's gonna say switch to a business account. And right here, it'll tell you more about becoming a business account on Cash App and what it can entail if you'd like to learn more. So if you press switch to a business account, you would go through the process of switching your personal to a business. That is how to receive money on Cash App from a business account.